Today we are going to make RGB light blink using push buttons. The apparatus required are Arduino board, breadboard, and an LED RGB, a resistor of resistance 120 ohms, and 3 push buttons. Now connecting the ground pin of Arduino to the negative terminal of breadboard. Taking the RGB light and placing on the breadboard, taking the resistor and connecting with the cathode of the RGB light, connecting the second terminal of resistor with negative terminal of breadboard. Now taking on push button, connecting on the breadboard. Similarly for those two push buttons, connect on the breadboard. Now from pin 13 we are connecting to first push buttons terminal 2B, and from pin 12 to second push buttons terminal 2B, and pin number 11 to third push buttons terminal 2B. Now connecting the red pin of RGB to the push button 1B terminal, and blue with second push buttons 1A terminal, and green with third push buttons 1A terminal. This is our circuit. Now we can code this. Taking set pin, we connected the red to pin number 13, and taking set pin, blue pin to 12, so 12, and for green 11. Now we are going to start the simulation. Here you can see by clicking this push button 1, the red light is blinking. Push button, if you click push button 2, the blue light is blinking. If you click the push button 3, the green light is blinking.